Alright, so my dad just gave me this really cool Swiss Army knife. Now, it looks pretty old. I mean, like, I haven't seen one like this. There's a wee bit of, like, dirt on the handle part. And, let me get this open. On the blade itself, it's kind of just dirty, and you can tell it's been used and stuff. It only has one blade. I like that too. It's pretty cool little knife. It's good size and all that, but I don't know what model it is. If anyone could comment down below and tell me what model this is, I'd be very grateful. Thank you.